Hello once again, my YouTube. Right now, I am on my gig. It's a corporate team building activity, like a get-together, gala get-together, and I am here with my friend. Actually, his name is Mr. Amit. Hi, Mr. Amit. How are you?
Hi.
Tonight we'll be having some games for the staff, right?
Yes,
And-
we will. And we will have a good time.
Yes, we will have a good time tonight. And thank you for inviting me here tonight.
Hello, good evening, everybody. Hello, good evening. Can you hear me? Everybody, can you hear me? Yes. All the guys, can you hear me? Yes. Okay. All the ladies, where are the ladies? Oh, the ladies are. How many ladies do we have here? How many ladies? No ladies. Okay. Now, I want to welcome you to your gala get together. This is your second year doing this gala. Okay. By the way, let me first introduce myself. My name is Norman. I will give you some fun time tonight. We will organize some games. I will organize some games for you. And everybody can. How many are you? How many are you? Officially, how many are you in here right now? Everybody, can you stand up first? Can you stand up, everybody? Can you stand up first? Can you come here in front? Can you come here? Everybody, can you come here? Yeah. Everybody, can you come here? Yeah. Come here in front. Okay, everybody, I want everybody to come here on the stage. I want to group you into maybe 3 or 4 groups. Okay, that's why I want everybody to come here. Everybody, we have a prize, huh? We have some prizes. Okay, so everybody come here. In front. Come on, guys. Come on, guys, so we can. Everybody come here. All right. All the ladies also. All the ladies. Yeah, everybody come here. Everyone. There's no exception. So everyone will come here. No exception. Everybody must be here in front. Okay, now. I will group you into 4 groups. Okay? So, music down first, please. Music down first. Okay. I will group you into 4. And then, so when you are in a group, you will have to name your group. Okay, you will have to name your group. Okay, now, can you group yourselves now into 4? 4 groups. I think, how many people are here right now? 40. So 4, 10 in a group. 10. Now segregate yourselves into a group. Yeah, let me see. Find your team. Find your teammates. Find your teammates. Find your teammates. Find your teammates, okay? And then what you will do is you have to have a name for your group. Okay? You have to have a name for your group. Alright? You must have a team chant, okay? Like don't team have this, okay? You must have a team chant. What is your name? Your group's name. You have to have a name for your group, okay? You have to have a name for your group. Everybody?
We are Avengers.
Avengers! This is Avengers. What is your group name?
We are Gladiators.
What is the name of your group? Warriors! Okay, Warriors. You are the team leader, okay? Team leader, what's your name? Ashraf. He is the team leader. you will be sitting down. And then I will just call any of your members. You will choose which one to participate, okay? Because this is a team game. So let's see which team will win, okay? We'll have the vote to win. What's the name of your group? X-Stars! Team leader! Who is the team leader? Team leader.
Okay.
Team leader. What's her name?
Ariana.
Okay, now, so everybody is 10, everybody go to the 10. Okay, now, so everybody can sit down now, okay? Sit down. Everybody can sit down. I will ask the team leaders to give me the members that will come here, okay? Yeah. Later, yeah, you have to sit. I will call. Yeah, I will call. So team leaders will be the one to let the members come here. Okay. All right, first game. First game. Team leaders, can you give me 5 members here? Team leaders, can you pick any of the members? I want 5 here for each team. 5 members. 5 members for each team. Avengers, 5. Warriors, 5. Warriors 5 and the other team, what was the name again? Avengers, Warriors, Rock Stars and five. Yeah, okay, 5. Alright, yeah, team members is fine too, okay? Now, first game. First game. Including the team leader, 5. Make a straight line.
Straight line, right? Straight line. Like this?
Yes. Yeah. Q line. Okay. Facing up, facing. Okay. Team leaders. Now I will give this to you. Okay, wait. Now, this game is called the cup relay. Okay, this is very easy. What you will do is cup relay. Okay, so you know what relay is. You have to pass to your members. Okay, until the last one. Oh yeah. What you will do with the cups is you have to stack it. Wait, I forgot to label the last one. Okay, you have to label it.
You have to label it.
Okay, so this is the
Black label, no? Black label or red label?
whichever you choose. Whichever you choose. Okay, what you will do is you will stack it up.
What he has to do, repeat that. Arabic, please.
One by one, yes.
Like this.
You will pass to the next number. You will do the same. With all the cups until the last one. No cheating, please, okay? No cheating. Teamwork is a must. Teamwork. Teamwork. Yes, the fastest team that will finish until the last one. Okay, ready? One member from each team to check the other team. Back to the queue, back to the queue, back to the queue, back to the queue. They also said they won, so we will have to play again. Sure. Alright, ready? Check. Back to the queue, back to the queue. Back to the queue. One, yeah. Somebody from the other team must watch me. Somebody must watch. You will watch this team? Okay. Yeah. Other team, not the same team members. Timer, yeah, timer. Stopwatch. Stopwatch.
This game will take 1 hour to finish.
No, it's fine. Now go back to the queue. I want one team member from the other team to play, to watch. Ready? Somebody will watch. The last one will watch this one, okay? The last one will watch. Brothers, the last one will watch. The last one will watch them, okay? So it's fair. Yeah. Ready? Somebody from the last three member will watch, okay? Ready? So, watch out. Watch. Let me see back. The stars now. The stars. Okay. So it's fair, huh? Ready? Who's watching? The last one will watch. The last member will watch. So it's fair. Here, she's watching. Somebody here. Okay, ready? So, ready? Stars are there. Okay, ready? Set, go! Ready, set, go! Come on. Okay. See? Everybody must check. Cheating. Cheating. Check, please, check. Ready. What? Yes, really? So different colors, okay? Okay. This big, okay? This big is fine, this big. Wait, not yet, go back to play. Deflate. Back to your cue, the team, back to your cue. Okay, now, this is how to play the game, alright? This game is called the Balloon Burst Game. This game is called the Balloon Burst Game. What you will do is, you can either form a circle. Okay, you can form a circle. Yeah, you can form a circle. You can face each other, team members, you can face each other. Okay, what you will do? When I say go, you have to inflate the balloon using your mouth. Inflate the balloon using your mouth. This size will do, this size. When you inflate, start to tie it. Wait for the other members to finish. When the members are finished inflating, put it down and pop the balloon. The first team that can pop all the balloons wins, alright? You have to burst the balloon, you have to pop it, yeah. You have to let the team members finish first. You have to finish together. You have to finish together before you pop the balloons, okay? Do not pop it now. You have to pop it together. That's why I'm telling you to face each other so you will know everybody's balloons are already. Okay, we'll get already. Which color? Okay, yeah. Now, I want one to watch the team. One from the other team to watch. So no skipping will be done. We have one. Which color? Take the color. No, later. When I say go. Ready? Do not blow down your balloons later. Yeah, at the same time. Oh, you have a balloon? No. Deflate the balloon. Huh? No balloons, yeah? Okay, ready? Make a circle so that you will know everybody's popping the balloon. No, ready now? Deflate the balloon. No. I told you, you have to pop it together. No. I did not say. I
finally, my gig is done. My hosting gig is done, but for tonight, and food was really, really great, and it was a fun time. I didn't have time to let them play a second batch of games already because the staff are already full, and they were already enjoying their dances. They already have a fun time. So I will leave you here, YouTube friends, and then hope to see you once again. But don't forget to watch my videos and click the subscription button. See you once again.